The game loop. This was my focus this week. Until now, I could play the game and die, and that was it. I had to return back to the main menu so I can start a new game again. Well, it is time now to fix all of this. The first thing is loading the level information. I have not shown this, but when starting the game, it needs to load all levels of the game. And even if the file is only about 500k in size, it takes about 3 to 5 seconds to be processed before you can start the game. It is not that long, but if the game becomes unresponsive during that time, the player may think it crashed. So in order to fix this, I created this loading screen. It is simple, but I had to move the code that loads and processes the level information into another thread, so it runs in parallel. Next is after you die. There are a few things that can happen. Since in this game you can move back in time, while playing, you can undo your death, and if lucky, you can survive. But if you run out of time to rewind, then you need to restart. So for that, I enable a new screen that will show up when you are dead, and give you some time to decide if you want to rewind the time or go back to the dojo. And one thing that was added here also was the statistics screen, so you can get some details of your run. Not many things added yet, but at least the framework is ready to support many other metrics. Just need to add them as needed. You will keep any coins gained during the gameplay, so you can purchase upgrades in the dojo in this screen, so you can upgrade your character between runs, so eventually game becomes a lot easier as you gain more coins and more permanent upgrades. Talking about coins, one thing that was very small but needed some attention was the reward you get from defeating enemies. Coins drop, but before it just popped on the floor. So now I changed that and give an animation to it, so it bounces on the floor for some time until peak. Just a little detail here, so it doesn't stay static on the floor, like in this fight with the small zombies. One last thing that I worked a little bit more was on the death animation of the terracotta guard. Since it is made of clay, when defeated it should not die like any other enemy, but instead break into pieces. So now all the broken pieces drop to the floor, like this animation. Okay, let me play it again a few times. Since I can rewind time, I can show you some of the ways it will break. And that's it for this week. I will focus on finish the game loop and the end game, and later add more content in the middle, so I can try to finish the game soon. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to support my work, please click like and subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you do not miss my next update. Thank you so much for watching my journey. See you next week.